how to fix your TikTok app not working or if it says no internet connection. So what you want to do first is if you're trying to use TikTok but it's not loading, first thing you want to check is your internet connection. For that, open your phone settings and go to connections. Make sure that you have a stable connection right here. Go to more connection settings and make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN as well. Right now I am connected to this VPN right here. I am just going to delete this VPN profile, and as you can see the icon at the top will disappear now if I delete this and disconnect it. So once I do that, what you want to do is long press on the app, go to app info, and from here make sure all of your permissions are turned on. And once you do that, go to storage, clear cache. Once you clear cache, you can even clear all of its data, but you have to know that this will log you out of your account, so you'll have to log back in. And after doing this, your app should be fresh and it should work without any problem. But if all of these methods do not work, then the last thing that you can do is uninstall the app and reinstall it. That is the last option, and this will for sure make your app work if you have a good enough internet connection. I hope this video is helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.